Given that y is equal to 2x squared plus fx plus 6, obtain the minimum or maximum of the equation.
Yeah.
We all know what it means by minimum or maximum. The highest value of y, or the lowest, or the minimum, which is the lowest value of y. So to do that, we first of all have to obtain the vertex form of this particular equation. And the general form of vertex form is given as general form of vertex is y equals to 2a in bracket of x minus h squared plus k, where the vertex is h and k. This is the value of x, which is what, the line of symmetry.
Yes.
And this is k, which is the minimum or maximum of this particular equation. So now we need to convert this particular quadratic function into vertex form. To do that, we say y equals to, we factorize these two terms. You think of what do they have in common? They have 2 in common. Please. So 2 in bracket of x squared plus what? 4, because we have factorized 2 out of it. 4x. Give me a space. Then you add the last term, which is 6. Now we need to form this one into, we need to transform it into perfect square form.
Yes, plus 4.
Plus 4, because if you divide 4 by 2 is 2. If you square it by 2, if you square it, you get what?
Plus 4.
Therefore, since we have added 4, the real number we added is 2 times 4, which is 8. So we need to remove it out. Minus
4.
8. 2 times 4 is 8, so we need to remove it out. So now to transform this one into perfect square, we have 2 in bracket of x plus half of the coefficient of x, which is 2 squared. Minus 2. Hence, the vertex is what? What is the vertex of this?
2 over 2.
It's negative 2,
Yes.
comma, negative 2.
Yes.
So it means what? When x is negative 2, even y is what? Negative 2. So this is the vertex of this particular quadratic equation. Now to obtain the minimum or maximum of this quadratic equation, you need to take the value of y at what? In the vertex form. So the value of y, in the vertex
form
is the y minimum this time around, because
yes, minimum.
Therefore y equals to what? Negative 2. This is the value of y.
Yes.
So the minimum of this particular graph
is
is
minus
what? Negative. So this is all about vertex form.
Okay, sir.
You can see them happily smiling. And this is my prof, President of Ali Abdullah Menasara, the head boy of Al Huda School, and the Wali Husseini Muhammad Ladan, Isa Mohammed Isa, the sheikh of the class. Who is that person?
Umar Imam.
Umar Imamu. He's hiding his face. Then who is that? Abdul Samad. He's still hiding. Muhammad Bala. This is Hajar. This is Aisha. This is Halima. And this is Aisha. Rahma is at the back hiding herself. The Salamatu, the Azima, the Khawlats. I can see Aisha.